Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. NCB Financial Group says it is moving ahead with an internal restructuring that will see its subsidiary Clarien Bank acquire NCB Cayman. The transaction, which is subject to regulatory approval, is part of the group's plan to simplify its operating structure by bringing banking and wealth management activities under a single platform. As part of the deal, a defined portfolio of clients currently served through the group's Cayman operations will transition to Clarien. Once completed, NCB Cayman will be rebranded under the Clarien name. Group CEO Robert Almeida says the aim is to strengthen operational focus across the region while ensuring continuity for clients. He adds that the transaction is not expected to materially affect the group's capital, liquidity, or ownership structure. NCB says clients will continue to be served by their existing relationship teams with no expected disruption to daily operations. Bloomberg Intelligence reports that they project that the global plant-based food market could surpass $162 billion by 2030. This is up from $29.4 billion in 2020, driven by growing concerns around personal health, sustainability, and animal welfare. That global shift is increasingly reflected in local retail strategies as Jamaican consumers show rising interest in clean-label, wellness-oriented products. Against that backdrop, Organica Whole Foods has expanded its operations and its physical footprint with the opening of its third location and first outlet in Montego Bay. The Montego Bay store carries a mix of whole foods, mirroring the retailer's established business model. Managing Director Abigail Phipps says the expansion is strategic as the company continues its mission to make nourishing foods more accessible to health-conscious customers.
We definitely see it as a growing area of focus as people take health and wellness a little bit more seriously. They're a bit more focused on what they put in their bodies and carry into their house.
To the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 692 points today, while the junior market index declined by 56 points. The winners include Iron Rock Insurance Company, Productive Business Solutions US dollar shares, Epley Limited 7.75%, 138 Student Living Variable Preference shares, and 138 Student Living Jamaica. The losers include MFS Capital Partners, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, G West Corporation, Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, and Paramount Trading. 17 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the American dollar for an average $157.54. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $117.50. The pound is going for $214.77, while the euro is selling for an average $189.06. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.